There are two basic ways to make money in the stock market: buy low, sell high, and dividends. Today we're going to talk about dividends. Making money this way is less stressful and you'll be able to keep all of your hair. But what is a dividend? A dividend is when a company you own stock in pays you for owning their stock. This is their way of thanking investors for owning some of their shares. It's common that every 3 months a company pays out dividends to its shareholders. You can even find stocks that pay a monthly dividend so that you're constantly being paid. Usually the companies that pay out a dividend are the ones that have been around for a long time and are not looking for as much growth anymore, since they may be very large companies already. Some examples of companies that give out dividends include Coca-Cola, GE, Johnson & Johnson, McDonald's, and AT&T. There are many other companies that give out dividends. You can find them by doing a Google search for dividend-paying stocks. Companies that don't pay out dividends will reinvest that money into their business to grow more. Some companies that don't pay dividends include Amazon, Google, Netflix, and Tesla, but someday these companies may choose to pay a dividend. To make a lot of money in dividends, you need to buy a lot of shares. One way to continue to grow your dividends is to reinvest that money back into the company to buy more shares instead of just pocketing it. But do what's best for you. One of the things to think about is a dividend yield. The dividend yield is a percentage you will get paid based on how much your shares are worth per year. You can easily find these numbers when you're purchasing stock. In this example, we'll use easy numbers. If you own 100 shares of a company that pays 10 cents per share, that equals $10 per year, so every 3 months you will receive $2.50. Now, if you own 10,000 shares of that same company that pays 10 cents per share, that's $1,000 per year, so now you're getting paid $250 every 3 months. The more shares you own of a company, the more you get paid. The point is not how much you put in, but how much you get back. People invest in dividend stocks because they are looking for income, not necessarily growth. Another thing to remember is that the dividend yield, or the amount you get paid, is not guaranteed, and can increase or decrease. Companies can even choose to stop giving out dividends altogether. This is why you should do your research, then do your research again and again on which companies you want to invest in when you're looking for a dividend stock. I hope this video has taught you the basics of dividends and how they work. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.